This rare guide to mastering office romance isn't for the faint of heart. In fact, it's borderline sleazy. Nevertheless, it's a roadmap to understanding the subtle nuances of workplace attraction and navigating the delicate balance between professionalism and personal connection. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of office affairs and explore the possibilities that lie beyond? Embrace it and watch as the lines between work and romance blur in the most intriguing ways. Typically, we would recommend guys to steer clear of these situations, but not you. You are the ultimate man, and we play by a different set of rules. We are bold, and quite frankly, we don't care much about our consequences because we are confident about everything. Welcome and thank you for tuning into our channel, where we teach you only the best and proven strategies and tricks to get the woman of your dreams, or as many as you want. Learn to become the ultimate man. Now, before we get into our video, do me a favor and hit the like button so YouTube will know that this video is awesome. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you can receive the latest content. Share this video with someone that you think will benefit from it. And lastly, save this video so you can give yourself a refresher from time to time. Without further ado, let's dive in. Part 1. The seductive signals decoding her office body language. When it comes to deciphering whether your coworker is secretly smitten with you, it's all about reading between the lines and decoding her office body language like a spy. Now just imagine, you stroll into the office like you own the place, your confidence radiating like a halo of charm. As you make your way to your desk, you can't help but notice her lingering glances and playful smiles. But is it just professional courtesy, or is there something more simmering beneath the surface? It's all about separating the signals from the noise and zeroing in on the subtle cues that speak volumes. From the way she twirls her hair during meetings, to the way she leans in just a little too close during casual conversations, every gesture is a clue waiting to be unraveled. You might as well go for the shot, right? While her body language may be speaking volumes, it's up to you to interpret the narrative. Are those lingering glances a sign of genuine interest, or just a case of office boredom? Is that playful banter a flirtatious invitation, or just harmless office banter? Whatever the case, always assume she is obsessed with you. This is how the ultimate man thinks, at all times, period. Part 2. The telltale signs, identifying her office behavior. Alright, let's crack open the case file and take a closer look at the evidence. Because when it comes to figuring out if your coworker likes you, her office behavior holds all the clues you need. From subtle shifts in demeanor to unexpected acts of kindness, her actions speak louder than words in the high-stakes game of workplace romance. When you're knee-deep in spreadsheets and she swoops in offering to lend a hand with a dazzling smile and a twinkle in her eye. Is it just friendly camaraderie, or could it be a sign of another twinkle in her body part? Well, does she go out of her way to seek your company at office gatherings, or does she conveniently find herself in your orbit during coffee breaks and water cooler chats? Pay close attention to her body language. Is she mirroring your movements and leaning in when you speak, or is she keeping her distance like a cautious cat? While her behavior may be sending signals louder than a foghorn, it's important to approach the investigation with a healthy dose of skepticism. Is she genuinely interested in your company, or is she just being polite? Is that friendly banter a sign of affection, or just a means to pass the time between spreadsheets? Whatever the case, assume she is obsessed with you and she will pick up on your confidence. When it comes down to it, the ultimate man would just ask straight up, "Do you like me?" Get your answer then. Part 3. The forbidden temptation, navigating office politics and romance. It's essential to tread carefully and wield your charm like a double-edged sword. After all, when it comes to mixing business with pleasure, the stakes couldn't be higher. So now you're basking in the glow of her attention and thrill of flirtations. Beneath the surface lies a minefield of office politics and professional jealous people ready to detonate at the slightest misstep. From company policies to HR guidelines, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the rules of engagement and proceed with caution. After all, one wrong move could spell disaster for your professional reputation and jeopardize your career trajectory. If you hate your job, you could use this as a good excuse to fire yourself. But if you love your work, the line between success and scandal is razor thin. And trust me, you don't want to be caught on the wrong side of it. Part 4. The art of flirtation, testing the waters without crossing boundaries. As you tiptoe along the fine line between professionalism and personal connection, mastering the art of flirtation is your ticket to testing the waters without capsizing the ship. From witty banter to subtle compliments, Every interaction is an opportunity to spark a connection and ignite the flames of attraction. While flirtation may be the name of the game, it's essential to respect boundaries and exercise restraint. Are you testing the waters with genuine interest, or are you simply indulging in idle flirtation for the sake of ego? Are your words and actions building bridges or burning bridges in the workplace? Are other coworkers getting jealous? Some things to think about here. Part 5. The Office Confidant, Seeking Guidance and Perspective. Seeking guidance and perspective from a trusted colleague can help steer you clear of embarrassment and disaster. Surrounding yourself with wise counsel can provide invaluable insights. While seeking advice from others can be illuminating, it's essential to choose your confidants wisely and exercise discretion in sharing your innermost thoughts and feelings. Are you seeking genuine guidance, or are you simply seeking validation for your own desires and impulses? Also question, is my colleague jealous and trying to block me? You never know. Trust your ultimate man instincts. Part 6. The Subtle Saboteurs, Recognizing Red Flags and Mixed Signals. Now let's delve into the art of recognizing the warning signs and deciphering the hidden messages that lie beneath the surface, for not all puzzles have happy endings. While it's tempting to ignore the signs and forge ahead with blind optimism, it's crucial to confront the uncomfortable truths and acknowledge the possibility of rejection or disappointment. Are her actions aligning with her words, or are you falling victim to wishful thinking and misguided assumptions? A lot of creeps fall in this category, but not you, because you are the ultimate man. If she doesn't like you, and you know this because you asked, respect her decision genuinely and continue to be a gentleman to her. This is your clear sign to go for the next cutest coworker. Part 7. The Office Romance Reimagined, Embracing Possibilities and Potential Pitfalls. Okay, so now that you're slyly dating your coworker, it's time to reimagine the possibilities and confront the potential pitfalls that lie ahead. The journey is definitely exciting, but also fraught with risks and rewards. While the sound of office romance may be intoxicating, it's essential to approach with caution and mindfulness of her feelings and yours. You usually don't want to take a dump where you eat. Are you truly prepared to navigate the complexities of workplace relationships? Or are you simply just wanting the forbidden fruit? Well, when you think about it, life is short. Shoot your shot, player. Not like she's the only woman in the office worth dating. Well, there you go, gentlemen. Hope you found value in this video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and save this video. If you have a strategy that you think that we should know about, go ahead and leave it in the comments so our community can learn, grow, and take advantage of the information. At the end of the day, always remember to treat women with honor and respect. See you in our next video. If you're not down for office romance and prefer to meet women outside of the workplace, then watch this video.